You made a song in Google Flow Music. It is 90% perfect. But that last 10% bugs you. The intro drags on too long. The second verse feels flat. You wish you could just fix those parts, instead of starting over from scratch. Good news. Flow Music has a remix and edit tool. It is called section editing. Let me show you exactly how it works. Google Flow Music is the new AI music generator. It uses the Lyria 3.5 model. The sound quality is incredible. But the real superpower is the editing. No other AI music tool does this. Not Suno. Not Udio. Only Flow Music lets you edit specific sections. Think of it like Photoshop for audio. You do not need to regenerate the entire track. You can isolate one section, fix it, and keep the rest exactly as it is. Let me walk you through it. First, you need access to Google Flow Music. It is currently free in early access. Go to the Google Labs website. Sign in with your Google account. Look for the Music AI section. Join the waitlist if needed. Most people get access within a few days. Once you are in, you will see the main interface. It looks like a chat window. You type what you want. Flow Music creates it. Start by making a simple song. Type something like this: a lo-fi hip-hop beat with chill vibes, or an upbeat pop track with piano and drums. Flow Music will generate 3 versions. Pick the one you like best. Now here is where the magic starts. Look at the waveform at the bottom of the screen. It shows your entire song. Intro on the left. Outro on the right. Everything in between. See those little handles on the waveform? You can drag them. This is the section editor. Select any part of your song. Maybe the intro is 45 seconds long, but you want it to be 15 seconds. Just drag the handles to select the last 30 seconds. Right-click and choose Remove Section. That is it. The section disappears. The rest of the song stays untouched. No regeneration needed. No credits wasted. No starting over. Here is another trick. You can remix a specific section too. Select the second verse, the one that feels a bit flat. Click the Remix button. Type a new prompt for just that section. Make it more energetic. Add a bass drop here. Give it a faster tempo. Flow Music regenerates only that part. Your first verse stays the same. Your chorus stays the same. Everything else remains untouched. This used to be impossible with AI music. You had to regenerate the whole song and hope it kept the parts you liked, which it almost never did. Section editing changes everything. There is a third option too. You can extend a section. Say your bridge is too short. It is only 8 bars. But you want 16. Select the bridge. Click Extend. Tell Flow Music how long you want it, and what you want the extension to sound like. Now you have a full-length bridge, without touching anything else. Here is a pro tip. Use producer mode for even more control. Switch from chat mode to producer mode. It gives you a timeline view. You can see every section laid out visually. Drag sections around. Reorder your song structure. Move the chorus before the bridge. Swap verse 1 and verse 2. It feels like a real music production tool. The learning curve is almost zero. The creative possibilities are huge. You can build songs piece by piece. Start with a killer chorus. Then build verses around it. Then add an intro. Then polish transitions between sections. This is real music production, done entirely with AI. Once your song is perfect, you need to get it out there. That is where DistroKid comes in. DistroKid distributes your music to Spotify, Apple Music, Amazon Music, TikTok, YouTube Music, and over 50 other platforms. 1 annual fee. Unlimited uploads. Keep 100% of your royalties. I put the DistroKid discount link in the description. 7% off your membership. Now you know how to remix and edit songs in Google Flow Music. You can fix any section, remove what you do not like, remix what needs a new take, extend what is too short, rearrange with producer mode, all without starting over. Try it today. Make something great, then release it with DistroKid. See you in the next video.